Hello YouTube, Jose Carlos back with another video for JPAT TV, and today I'm going to show you how to do a flange. So a flange is when you have your pipe that you're insulating and then you hit a flange or you hit a valve that's bigger than the pipe that you're insulating, like the pictures you will see here. So now you're going to have to insulate the oversize that you put on with end caps or bevels. So in this case we're going to use end caps because in the video before I showed you how to do a bevel. So now we're going to do the end caps, and I'm going to show you how to get the hole for the pipe, which is going to be representing our valve. So for our tools we're going to need a straight edge, something to write with, your measuring tape, your circumference ruler, snips, your notchers, pair of dividers, and your bender. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to measure a small pipe and our flange. So our small pipe measures 21 3/8, and our flange measures 33.5. And if you don't have your circumference ruler, you will measure the diameter of the pipes that you're installing. So the measurement of the diameter for our flange will be 11, and the pipe will be 6.5. Now we're going to draw two lines. These two lines are going to be for our end caps. What we'll do now is get our measurement from our bigger pipe, which will be 33.5, and cut it in half. So we'll open our dividers to 16 3/4. In case you're not using the circumference ruler, you would open your dividers into half of the diameter, which will be 5.5, since our diameter is 11. Now that our dividers are set, we're going to mark 4 half circles, which will be 2 half circles for each end cap. For the second set of half circles, you need to mark 3/4 inch lap. Now we mark our circles. Next step, we're going to get the measurement of our smaller pipe, which would be 21 3/8. So half of that would be 10 5/8. Now we're going to mark our smaller circle. Next, using our tape measure, we're going to mark 3/4 inch lap. Now we adjust our dividers to the mark for our lap. Now we mark it. Now that our end caps are marked, now we gotta cut the outside and the smaller circle out. There goes one. Two. Three. Four. Now using our notchers, we're gonna notch out our lap for each one of these half circles. Now we're gonna fold our lap 90 degrees. Now that our end caps are ready, now we gotta install the end caps, 2 half circles on each side. So make sure that you have one that has the lap on it and one that doesn't. So there goes our end caps. You ain't gotta worry about them looking kind of crooked right now because we're gonna fix them later. Now we're gonna measure the length of our flange, which in this case will be 8 1/4. What also we'll do, we'll get the middle of the circle, which right here it would be at 4 1/4. And we would also get the diameter of our circle, which right here seems to be 2 1/2. Now what we'll do to cut our flange, we already have a piece right here that's pre-cut to 36 1/2. But what we'll do now is we're gonna isolate the measurement of our flange, which was 33 1/2. So whatever we have left will be our lap. Now what we're going to do, we're going to measure the length of our flange. So the length is 8.5. So we're going to mark 8.5 on each side of our piece. Now with our straight edge, we're going to draw the line. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mark our hole, which was at 4.25. Also for the other side. Now that we have the center of our hole, we have to mark it. So we open our dividers to half of the measurement, which is 1.25 inches. Now we will mark our circle on both ends. Now we're going to cut across the line, and we're also going to cut our circle out with the lap. Once we have all our flange cut, now it's ready to get installed. Using our aluminum straps, we use it to hold it down. Now, with our bender, we're going to tighten the straps up. And there we have it. Now our flange is complete. In this case, I added a bead on each end just to give it a nicer look. But just make sure when you're tightening up your straps that you only tighten them as tight enough without breaking your straps, because with these aluminum bands, if you tighten up too much, they will break on you. If you learned something new and enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.